I'm going to show you how we do a nest for a cross stitch. So I've done 3 sides already, but I just wanted to demonstrate this side. What we do is put a little bit of tape. So we just run a couple of lines of that. Then just run a thin line of glue for longevity. I've already pre-cut my spacer, so we just put it into place, make sure it's snug up against the cross stitch. For one, to preserve the cross stitch so there's no acid products touching the cross stitch, and also so it is reversible. As you can see, I've put pins all the way around an acid-free backing, and that just sits nicely in there, and then the mat board sits on top, and that makes it nice and flush at the top, but also protects the cross stitch from any elements and to stop deterioration over time.